Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thanks for tuning in again. On today's tutorial, I'll be cutting and sewing the trendy Bubu gown with slanted V collar. So guys, I'll be using 5 yards of fabric for my tutorial and this is my fabric unfold. The first thing to do is to get the full length you are working with. My full length is 58 inches, then I add 1 inch to 2 inches seam allowance. For the neck width and the depth for the back, the neck width is 3 inches and the neck depth is 2.5 inches. For the neck width of the front is 3 inches and the depth is 6.5 inches. You can use more than that, it depends on you. So that is how wide I want my neck to be. Then the next thing I did was to get my shoulder slant from my neck like so. Then I chalk it down. You can use 1/2 inches for the shoulder slant. You can use 1 inch, it depends on you. The next thing is to move to the round measurement of my gown, which I'll be using 15 inches unfold like so. Then I'll be using 16 inches, like 16 inches with the same allowance. So I'm going to take my measurement for the armhole for the sleeve, and that is 12 inches. So I'm going to cuff it out from the sleeve to the round measurement of my gown like this. Then I'm going to chalk it down. I'm going to measure the 16 inches down the gown. So this is how my chalkings went like, and when I'm done with it, I first cut out the shoulder slant, then I move to the side from the sleeve. I cut it to the down part. So when I'm done cutting, I slit my gown in the down part to be able to cut out the down slit. Like the gown is still joining together, so I slit it open like so. Then I try to cut it out. So I'll be cutting my neck part. I've already cut out the back part. Then I remove the clothes from each other. I place the front part on top. Then I cut out the front part, and this is what the front neck is looking like. And this is the back neck. I have the two ear fronts and the back. So guys, I'll be moving to my sewing machine, and the first thing I'll be doing is to join the shoulder of my dress. So this is it. Once I'm done, then the next thing is to put the neck together. I fold it like this, then I notch the midpoint. So I measured what I have in my neck unfold, and I have 13 inches on my neck. Here is another fabric I folded into 4. Then I'm using this for my neck piece. I have 13 inches on the neck part. Then I measure 14 inches. I had 1 inch seam allowance. If you can use 1/2 inch allowance, you can use 13.5 instead of 14 like mine. After measuring my 4 inches, then I measure 5 inches extra like that I'll be using to slant the front piece. So I come to the upper part here, then I form my slant. If you cannot use your free hand, you can make use of your ruler to chalk out the curved part like so, the slanted part like so. After that, I came to this side and I measure 1 inches. That is the midpoint for my neck part. This is where I'll be joining in my neck. This part that I placed this ruler, I'll be joining it on my neck. So I slanted it with 1 inch from that angle down to the other side. So I'll be cutting it out now. So guys, this is what we are having. This is the neck piece. So I'm going to notch the midpoint like that. Then this is my lace that I'll be using to fold it in, that I'll be using to join it. Then I took my neck piece to the sewing machine, then I joined it together with the lace, and this is it. I'll be folding it out for you to see it. It will be so obvious when I fold it out. You will use the style, you will see the style I use the lace to make in the neck piece. Here is the final result on the neck piece. Can you see how the lace turned out? So this is my dress. Make sure your dress is in the wrong side like mine. Then you're going to fix the neck piece on it. Use your office pins to hold it down like this. Hold it down round and make sure the neck piece is, it is like the measurement of the neck piece and the neck part is the same. So this is mine. I've already pinned it, then I've sewed it, and this is the outcome. This is the outcome. You can see how neat it is. So the next thing is I'll be moving to my sleeve side. This is the piece I'll be making use to make my gathers. So this is my gathers. Then I'm going to fix it in the sleeve like so. Guys, I'm done here with the sleeve, and this is our outcome. So I've already turned it, I've already joined the side. So the last thing I'll be doing is to fold the edges of the gown like this. So guys, if you find my video helpful, kindly like, subscribe, share, and tell people to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys. I love you. Bye bye guys.